Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable Windows Defender into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your search option and going to search for virus and threat protection. After that, you'll get the best match over here from your system settings. Click on that. You are coming on Windows Security, and here you just need to come over virus and threat protection setting. Click on manage setting. After that, here you can see there is two options called real-time protection and cloud deliberate protection. So we need to turn them off. Click yes for the permission, these two, and then close it. If you want to enable them, then you can simply turn them on, and now you enabled. So this is how you can enable or disable Windows Defender into your computer in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.